Hi, my name is Lisa Patel, and I've been a patient with Titan Medical Center for 10 years. So about 10 years ago, I was very involved in health and fitness and wanted a better lifestyle and just wanted to stay healthy. And that's what brought me to Titan Medical Center. So within waking up for the first 1 or 2 hours thereafter, I would literally be so drained. I felt super tired, weak, felt like I needed a nap, although I could not sleep. But one of the best things that happened was being on hormone replacement therapy. I was able to perform, I was able to work out, get my day started. I was able to go on runs and walks and working out. That was a huge part of my morning and completely still is. And it truly helped me get back to optimal results. Hormone replacement therapy from Titan Medical Center made all the difference. Every time I walk into Titan Medical Center, it is absolutely flawless. From walking in, being treated by the customer service staff, including making my way back, I'm always greeted with a smile, always a bottle of water, and a bag full of goodies. So I've taken a variety of Titan Medical Center therapies over the course of a decade. It's been 10 years. And you know what's really helped is it's been able to help my mental focus, the ability to try to moderate weight gain. And truly one of the biggest things is just like being able to perform optimally. And as a woman, everything is decreasing over time. And so I want to be 20 years old again. And so really the focus here, and for 10 years ago to this point, and also my future, is to just stay optimal. I want to be able to work out. I want to be able to go all day long, and no matter what activities I have and career focus that I have. So Titan Medical Center has been a huge part in my delivery and performance throughout the years. So I would definitely recommend Titan Medical Center to others. If you want an optimal life, if you want to continue on your journey, take the steps and make sure you get your blood work done. Titan Medical Center services nationwide. So call us or text us today.